You spend hours hunched over a desk, highlighting dense paragraphs until the pages bleed neon yellow. But the moment you sit down for the exam, that information completely vanishes from your mind. Use generative AI as a personalized tutor. You take that dense, rigid textbook material on the left, and the AI translates it into a format tailored exactly to how your brain processes information, like the clean structure on the right. To get this result, you have to move beyond broad requests. You need specific, constrained prompt engineering. Notice the constrained words appearing here. Commands like bullet points or simple terms force the tool to filter the noise and structure the data. True learning begins when we stop treating textbooks as static laws. We can use AI to dynamically reshape that information to fit our individual cognitive style. The biggest mistake most students make is the vague prompt. If you ask a chatbot to teach me science, it will just spit back the same generic, unhelpful textbook answers you were already struggling with. Look at this text prompt. We inject specific constraints. Asking the AI to explain Newton's laws using cricket examples forces it to explain a complex topic using a familiar interest. Analogies bridge abstract ideas to familiar frameworks, making the concept intuitive. Controlling the AI's output format through these analogies is the vital first step to eliminating the stress of dense textbook language. Once you understand the concept, you have to retain it. This brings us to the second friction point, context window overload. Pasting entire chapters into an AI all at once yields useless, shallow summaries. Feed the AI specific paragraph-by-paragraph chunks. Watch how this dense text block compresses down into crisp bullet points and an active flashcard. Command the tool to convert those points into multiple choice questions, turning them into a testable format. This chunking method forces active engagement with the material. It replaces the passive illusion of reading with the rigorous reality of self-testing. There is a severe danger in this process. It's called the illusion of competence. If you let the AI do all the heavy lifting and simply copy its answers without thinking, you aren't learning. You're just outsourcing your brain. This photograph shows physicist Richard Feynman. He championed a principle now known as the Feynman Technique. True mastery is only achieved when you can explain a concept simply in your own words. Pause the video right now. Think about how you would devise a prompt that reverses the roles. How do you make the AI the student while you act as the teacher? Here is the optimal Feynman prompt interface. On the left, you type your own explanation of a topic, like photosynthesis. You then command the AI to grade it and explicitly identify missing information, generating the targeted feedback you see on the right. Using AI to rigorously critique your own thoughts forces you to fill in the gaps in your logic. When you identify exactly what you don't know before the exam starts, you can fix those weaknesses in real time. Smart studying also requires a meta system to manage your time. You can use these same text prompts to generate a balanced, stress-reducing daily study timetable that organizes your review sessions. The overarching rule of this entire framework is clear. Artificial intelligence is an exploration tool meant to stimulate curiosity and help you ask better questions. It is not a crutch to avoid thinking. This graphic summarizes the 4 core templates we've covered. We have the analogy prompt, the 12-year-old simplification prompt, the active revision prompt, and the Feynman prompt. Take a screenshot of this list right now. Apply one of these specific prompts to a difficult chapter tonight, because ultimately you are the creator